Hi, I'm Zaman, this is Best Hombre, and I'm going on a trip soon. So I'm going to do what every self-respecting content creator does, and I'm going to buy a gimbal. No, I'm not sponsored by Best Buy, but hey, you can always dream. Today we're talking about the DJI OM5. Yes, that's paid for by me with my money. So I'll tell you what I really feel.
What we do here is go back.
Hi, I'm Zaman, this is Best Hombre, and today we're going to be taking a look at the DJI OM5. It's their latest handheld gimbal for your smartphone or light device. It could be a GoPro, it could be, whatever you can fit on there. I'm going to be using it with my iPhone 12 Pro Max, so you're going to see some footage with my 12 Pro Max, and I'm going to compare that to the in-camera stabilization of the 12 Pro Max. You'll get a little bit of the two ideologies. Now, the reason why I went with this is because I'm going on an international flight. I'm trying to pack light, and I don't want to have to bring my whole Zune setup with my bigger gimbal for my DSLR. I'll be able to just walk around town and pull this out whenever I feel like it and grab some cool shots. So that's what we're doing. But before we start that, let's talk about this vest that I'm wearing, which is actually made by Western Rise. It's that same breathable, warm fabric. I can sleep in this. My girlfriend makes fun of me because I wear it in the house all the time. It's amazing. And it has one thing. So first thing I will say, it has the interior pocket, which I love because I have my wallet in here right now. You don't even see it. It has two big front pockets, which is good because it fits my iPhone 12 Pro Max in there pretty sneakily. And it has drawstrings at the bottom so you can tighten it. But it has a secret pocket in the back, so you can put things and hide things back here. It's a nice little secret pocket. So outside of that, I've been wearing this honestly like almost nonstop. So check them out, Western Rise. This is their airloft vest. It's down in the description. I'll put a link somewhere. Okay, so the DJI OM5. It's got a lot of information on here. The reason really that I'm falling in love with it is because of two reasons that I really am hoping that this is going to be like a be-all, end-all kind of gimbal for me. Plenty of times where I have to shoot videos and I end up shooting it on my phone. I really don't need the Sony, number one. Number two, balancing the gimbal every single time. The setup is like 10 or 15 minutes. I mean, you get faster over time, but it's always like something. You got to switch the lens, you got to clean the lens, you got to make sure your gimbal's set up, and make sure it's balanced. It means you need a surface to stand it on to balance it. With the apparently with this one, it has a little magnet attachment for your phone, and you can just put that on the phone, and once it's on the phone, it's balanced you, so you can like magnet it on and off the gimbal on the go and get that quick shot when you're on the move. You don't have a lot of time when you're traveling, so you got to be ready. You might have like 30 seconds to get a shot, or you're gonna miss it. So you might piss off the people you're with. Anyway, let's get this open. So yeah, I bought this from Best Buy myself. Why did I buy it from Best Buy? Basically because I also bought the Geek Squad protection. Because I know my last gimbal was a DJI Osmo Plus, and if something happened and it wasn't locked correctly, and then the camera part of it fell on the ground and it was broken and couldn't find the receipt, couldn't get it serviced, couldn't get it warranted. So this is just much easier. Best Buy's all over by me, so I can go to any one of them and be like, hey, fix it, or give me money back, which is a great system. So let's see here. Oh, there is a little, whoopsies. So that's cute. Hope you see that. It says master every shot. And there's some instructions here. There's the QR code for the app, how to mount the actual camera, and then turning it on, so. It's really light. I like it. This little riser for small phones. It comes with a USB-C charging cable, the strap. It does come with this little tripod, of which I have many, so I may use this, I may use another one that's a little longer. And the phone mount, so that's it. Let's get this guy ready here. Oh, one more thing. Traveling case, of course. Okay, we'll shove this back into here for now. So let's see what this comes with here. Instruction manuals, safety guidelines, quick start guide, DJI Mimo app. Okay, new app. Mimo. Let's see here. So you do kind of pick this up. There's a hinge and it'll pick up. Okay. Pick it up from the hinge. Attach the camera mount. Mount it to the camera. Turn it on. Alright, give it a shot. It does not come with a USB power adapter, but at least it does have the cable, USB-C cable, in case you haven't switched over to USB-C yet. Oh, there's one more thing there. Yeah. Consumer compliance terms, lawyers. Alright, so we have it here. It says that you're supposed to just be able to unhinge it. Okie doke. Unhinged. Now, the camera should mount to this. So theoretically, bam. Oh wait, why is it doing that? There it is. Cool. So taking this off isn't. It's good. So this is pretty flat, actually. As far as the tripod goes, it may not give you much. So it'll let you probably just it's more of a base than a tripod. It doesn't really give you much height, but it does give you, at the very least, a base. Charger cable. This goes where? Oh, that's easy enough. Right at the back here. Okay, I'm not doing that right now. This is the little bag, so it's pretty small. Let's get this on the camera. So here's my 12 Pro Max. And this just kind of stretches open. So let's see. Okay. Phone camera direction. Alright, so it is directional on this mount. So you see here, there's a little camera and the sticker, which I'll take off, but it does say phone camera direction. But otherwise, it's just going to look like this little camera sticker there. And let's see here. Alright, and now let's. Oh, I need to download Mimo. Power button's here. And it's charged. Cool. So it has an indicator light on the front, telling me it has about 2/3 charge. Seems like the third light is blinking, so I'd imagine it's 2/3 charge here. Okay. Alright, that's pretty good articulation in what's otherwise a vertical mode. It doesn't turn all the way around, which other gimbals do, but let's see. Aha! Alright, 2 button clicks here will get you from vertical to horizontal. And then something. If you want to lock it, I definitely got to take this thing off. Honestly, I don't know why I have it. So like, look now, it's not locked, but you can lock it, and it'll do this. Put that trigger. Articulation, and then there's even a record button. I wonder if this works with the regular camera app. So I have no apps open right now. No, it did not work. Now let's open the camera app. The native iPhone camera app, I'm setting it to video, and if I press the record button, nothing. Probably because I haven't connected it to the phone through their Mimo app. So let's open Mimo. Alright, so here we are, DJI Gimbal. I'm holding it. Alright, let's see. I'm holding it away from my face. Hello, I'm over here. Let's see, will you track me? How do I turn on? Okay, that's easy enough. So you just press the trigger to enable active track. So now that it's tracked me, okay, I can move any which way and it's following. It stays on me, which is kind of cool. Look, up, it almost tripped up. It's freaking out. Let's see. Alright, that's vertical. Now let's give it an extension, shall we? That's full extended. That's interesting. So that's fully extended. Hello, I'm down here. Active track fail. Alright, that's off. So this is interesting because it actually goes like this. If you needed to go like that, you could do that. I guess for low shots, ooh, this is gonna be good. Alright.
What we do here is go back.
Loud.